This is a quick video of the front steering mechanism. Of course it's crooked because it hasn't been glued on yet, it's just sitting into place. But it looks a bit complex, but you figure that each one has to steer by itself and each one has a motor on it. So to make it work, I had to, a little tap dancing, get that piece there, which fits into that piece there. So it would sit like this. See if I can hold on to it here one-handed. Let's lean it up again. So I'll glue on like that, and then I'll turn it like this or like that, but it will be turned. So that's basically the suspension. And I'll probably have to put a spacing block here because it looks like it's it might be a little too far. It looks like the wheel is a little bit too far inwards. So I want to be even with those. So yeah. Inside here we have the lower level, which will have a couple of sleeping bag chambers in there. Bunk beds over here. And I cut this hole in the back so when you look through that window, you'll be able to see, down inside there as well as up inside there as well through the front. Well, of course, the camera's going to focus in, so you're not going to see shit, but you get the idea, like that. And the bunks will be up here. This is the size the person is. So it's not really big. Now, as far as where the toilet is, I don't care. So don't ask. There's also going to be a door on the floor here I have to put in yet, because I have to be able to get in and out of this thing, right? So yeah, so that's it so far.